This GVMC shopping complex is going to be removed. Feel sorry for the businesses that were running here for so many years, but change is inevitable. Chunk by chunk, the old building is being brought down by heavy machinery. A green screen has been put up to cut down dust pollution. Little by little, the actual land is being exposed. Residents of the area are looking forward to a nice, pleasant building over here. Finally, you can see the empty plot. The end of the old municipal complex, a beginning of a new one.